Today, I want to share with you a recipe for crispy tofu meatballs. It's almost like a fried risotto ball. It's super simple to make. We're going to add everything to the blender and you can use it as a main or as a finger appetizer. Let's get started. So for our mise en place, we'll need 350 grams of extra firm tofu. We'll have some gluten-free breadcrumbs, extra old cheddar. This one actually has herbs in it. Roasted red peppers, garlic cloves, salt, pepper, and oregano. Now we're gonna bake this at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. And there you have it, crispy tofu meatballs. They'll soon become your favorite party appetizer because they're so simple to make and they're vegan friendly. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and until next time, relish every bite.